Welcome to the channel. In this video, we are discussing about again the human resource planning. We have uploaded two videos regarding the human resource planning, which is the basic concepts and factors influencing human resource planning. Those who are not watching, please go and watch. I will put description box in the links. In this video, we are discuss about the main concept or important concepts of human resource planning, which is process of human resource planning. This process contains seven concepts, which is one, analyzing the objectives; second one, inventory current human resources; third one, forecast the demand and the supply of employees; fourth one, estimate the gaps; fifth one, formulate plans; sixth one, implement plan; and last one, monitor, control, and feedback. In these seven steps, we are processing the human resource planning. So let's discuss one by one. First one, analyzes the objectives. Human resource planning should analyze the basic objectives of organization as well as human resource department. And secondly, the inventory current human resources, which is what is the current positions or what are the employees are working, how many are there in the notice period, or how many vacancy will arise, which are these all are should be inventorying from the departments. And third one, forecast the demand and the supply of the employees. In case of any bypass, the projects are coming for the organization, then what is the requirements are needed in the future scenario, which is also considered for the current situations. And next step to move on, estimate the gaps. You have demand and you made the future demand supply, which is to understand the gaps or to fulfill the gaps. This is the main concept or main objectives of the human resource planning. And next step to move on, to formulate the plan, how to fill up the gap or where is the sources to be searched for the filling the human resource planning, and how to execute the plan. These are all discussed on the fifth point. And move on to sixth point, implementation of the plan. If you are getting a clear cut plan which is implementing on this stage, if the plan or going correctly or the plan is a flop, which is monitor under the seventh point. The plan may be executed with the correct position or correct way, should be monitored, and if any deviations on the plan, you should control the plan and get feedbacks from the plans. So these are the process of human resource planning. And next, we discussed on importance of human resource planning. What is the importance? Why we need study to know the HRP, which a key to managerial function. Of course, the planning is the managerial key. So obviously, this is the main function. Second one, efficient utilization. The planning will correctly execute. We can utilize the efficiently for the human resources. And third one, basis for recruitment and training. Of course, this is the first process of planning to recruit the employees. And fourth one, better adaptability to change. If you need any adaptability or to adopt the environment, you must do from the human resource planning process. And fifth one, high cost of investment in HR. Yes, of course, this planning is major part to conduct the human resource activities. So it is very high cost investment. And sixth point, better capacity to cope with technology changes. If you know the technology in future, then you can adopt the technology to better capacity. And seventh point, impact of government regulations. We already discussed on factors influencing the human resource planning, the external factors, which means the impact of government regulations are regularly monitored and watched by the human resource department. Eighth one, filling up vacancies. Only the purpose of human resource planning to fill the vacancy arises in the organization. And ninth one, helps to offset uncertainty. In case of uncertainties arises, the human resource planning will execute the correct plan. And tenth one, requirements of new skills. Of course, the planning is executed. The new skills arrives from the recruitment. And 12th, sorry, 11th, support growth. So growth is always a part of organization's wealth. So the main objectives of the human resource planning is the growth of the organization. And last one, enable budget formulation. So any process will leads to investment, or the budgets will be framed according to the management's views. So these are the importance of human resource planning. In this video, we are watched process of human resource planning, as well as why we need to study the human resource planning. So in these three videos, we are covered human resource planning concepts. And thank you for watching. We will discuss another topics in next videos. Please keep supporting us, and thank you once again for watching this video.